Hello there my friends, and today is another video on Easy Draw, and today we're going to be learning how to draw a dog. A simple dog face. Now this is really easy, and it looks really good, so make this paper straight. Sorry. Right, should we just get right into this? Come on then. Right, I'm going to start off by drawing a circle with a little, so it's like if you're drawing a stick man. Everyone know how to draw a stick man? Just like that. You can colour the nose in or not. Shall I say head? Because it's like a head, but this is actually going to be the nose, so I'm going to colour it in just to make it look a little bit better. Make 3 dots on each side, do you see? They don't have to be even or anything. They're not actually supposed to be even, but it just looks more cartoony if it's even. Then you want to draw a circle going all the way around it. Do you see? So you're not going to draw a perfect circle. The circle is going to be kind of in an oval going upwards. So once you've done that, you want to draw a big thing like that on top of it. Like a big, this is going to be the eye, by the way. Almost like big ears, but they're not going to be ears, obviously. Now you can put the pupils anywhere you want in that. So I'm going to put mine there. Makes it look funny. Makes it look cross-eyed. There we go. Looks a bit like a frog for some reason, but I'm going to change it now. And then what you want to do is you're going to go from here to up there. By the way, don't do it yet because you need to follow what I do. So you're going to go like that. You're going to go inwards, outwards, then like that. So you're going to go a bit down, up, inwards, outwards, and back. So it looks like a 3 going that way. Same on the other side. By the way, I'm not good at doing the other side, so this might be a bit messed up. There you go. So it actually looks like butterfly wings, to be honest. Then once you've done that, you want to do, I'll get to the other side, sorry. You're going to go up, across like that. Do you see where I'm going? Hey. So you go right down, you just join it up, so you see you did the, like, almost like a rainbow. So then you go down, join it up to the middle of the eye. There you go. You can also give it little ears like this. No, these are the ears, by the way. That's just like little ear holes. You can do that to them. Now to give it extra detail, you might want to do a little few lines there, because that's what dogs have, really. If it's like a boxer or something, they've got like big chubby faces, don't they? So you've got that. And this can be it. So I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!